Details and advice on using payday loans in a pinch. When money is short, payday loans may offer the immediate funds that some people need. They may make all the difference. Fortunately, you can learn how to understand the process with a little preparation and a small investment of your time. This article will help you decide if a payday loan is the right option for you. It is important to ensure you can pay back the loan when it is due. Payday loans typically have high interest rates and excessive fees which quickly add up if not paid on time. There are times in life when a payday loan is the only choice that a person has to pay for an expense. If at all possible, do not take out a payday loan. If you have a family member or a friend that you can borrow from, try asking them before resorting to using a payday loan company. There are many payday loan companies out there, and they vary greatly. There are companies who can offer you much better loan terms than other companies can. Researching companies can save you lots of money later and help you easily fulfill the terms. An important thing to keep in mind is that you need to be truthful on your application. This can result in fraud, which can hurt your chances of getting a loan and put you in trouble with the law. You have to pay off payday loans quickly. Many times the loan is for 2 weeks, which is a typical pay period in a standard work week. The only time that you might have a little longer is if you get the loan very close to your next scheduled paycheck. The loan will actually be due the following payday to give you a reasonable amount of time to repay the loan amount back. A lot of payday loan services will require the borrower to sign a contract that basically protects the lender in a disagreement. The loan amount cannot be discharged in a borrower's bankruptcy. In addition, the borrower must sign a document agreeing to not sue the lender if there is a dispute. Just about everywhere you look these days, you see a new location of a company offering a payday loan. Payday loans are small loans in which a credit check is not normally necessary. They are short-term loans. Though these types of loans can be lifesavers in some ways, they also tend to carry extremely high interest rates for repayment. When you repeatedly need to take out a payday loan to make ends meet, you may need to figure out how to gain control of your finances with the help of an expert. Payday loans can put you on a never-ending debt treadmill if used irresponsibly, which can end up costing you thousands of dollars in extra fees. Before getting a payday loan with any company, go to bbb.org and run a Better Business Bureau check on them. Many companies are good and reputable, but the ones that aren't can cause you trouble. If you find complaints on the site, take note of the response from the lender. Not only do you have to worry about the fees and interest rates associated with payday loans, but you need to remember that they can put your bank account at risk of overdraft. A bounce check or overdraft can add significant cost to the already high interest rates and fees associated with payday loans. Make sure you can quickly pay back any money you borrow. Debts larger than 3 weeks' worth of pay should not be remedied with a payday loan. You might have to spend some time looking, though you may find some lenders that can work with what you can do and give you more time to repay what you owe. Only apply for a loan which you can pay off on your next payday. Some lenders try to lure you into a debt trap by offering more money than you actually need. Getting you into trouble will mean more profit for them. Do your research when it comes to payday loan companies. You probably believe there's not enough time to research because you need your money right now. One of the features of payday loans is their speed. In some situations, you can even have access to money that same day. Use the internet to find a company with low interest rates and good customer reviews. Also, try to figure out if there are any other options available to you. Always keep a solid repayment record with loan companies. This is important, as payment history is taken into account when determining whether to lend to someone in the future and how much they are willing to lend. Using the same company each time you need a loan will give you the best results. Make sure that the company you are about to do business with is not going to charge you any hidden fees. Make sure the company has a good track record and has a business history spanning at least 60 months. That way, you can hopefully steer clear of scammers. Payday loans should always be viewed as an expensive short-term solution. If you continually rely on payday loans, you may need to learn to budget your money better. When you are considering getting a payday loan, consider the cost. Although there is a lot of press given to the high cost of these loans, sometimes you really just need the money. Payday loans are typically loaned in small amounts. If your loan is paid back within the first 2 weeks, each $100 usually costs between $15–$30 in interest. If you can swing this payment, go for it. If not, turn around. There is no doubt that payday loans are a useful option for those who find themselves short of cash to pay critical household bills or cover unanticipated expenses. It is, however, necessary to gain significant knowledge about such financial vehicles prior to leaping in and signing for one. Use the advice in this piece, and that will be easy to do.